is a beautiful building, Natyam station. So I didn't see it when I was going out because I took a different route. So now I can see the beautiful building. This is Nottingham station. So very important station in this part of area. So yeah, you can see the buses, all brightly colored buses. But see the red stone building of Nottingham station. It is excellent. So it looks like typical proper English train station. Now I'm back to Nottingham station. So now the time is only 4:35. I have a train at 5:07 p.m. So you can see. So Cardiff Central going to via Birmingham. So calling it. So I can see Derby. So I have to get down at Derby. It is calling it Eastern, Longington, Derby. So Derby is the third stop. So I have to get down there. So these are the beautiful station with beautiful architecture, Nottingham station. So it is excellent. See the departure boards. So platforms, mine is 5B. So platform 4 to 7, 1 to 3. So my train is ready. So this is going to Cardiff Central via Birmingham. So but I have to get down at Derby. So the train will start at 5:07 p.m. and it will reach Derby at 5:35 p.m. So I spend there like maybe half an hour, 40 minutes, and then I take a train to London. So it is just a stopover. I am not doing anything there. So this is 5A. Sorry, this is not 5B. So this is 5A. So my train is just behind this train. So it's confusion. Same platform number, but it's different alphabets, A and B. So mine is 5B. So it is behind this train. So first this train will go. I think they might be splitting the train here. So first this train will go and then next train. So this is 5B. You can see Cardiff Central via Derby. So this is the train. So calling it, you can see Gloucester, Newport. So I am going to Cardiff tomorrow, not Bristol. So I will go to Newport, Cardiff and Bath. So this is my train going to Derby from Nottingham. So excellent train. All trains are excellent. So this looks like first class, but it's actually standard. Sitting here, you can see the table. So just sightseeing for 35 minutes. So I got down at Derby. So I have met one retired teacher. So I had another almost like 30 minutes discussion with him. He is doing voluntary service, like doing a church service, teaching disabled people. So next my train is at 6:05 from Derby to London. So this is Derby station. See, all stations are excellent. So WH Smith, you can take tickets. So ATMs, everything. Star is the Greggs. So all high street shops are here. So this is waiting area. I have a train at 6:31. So I have time. So I'm like 45 minutes. I just go to town center and come. As usual, this is a taxi rank. You can see beautiful taxis waiting in the queue. So they will just come. They will not say that I will not come that way. I will not come that place, this place. So whatever place we say, it is. So you can see Derby Midland station. So this is a beautiful station. So this is Derby. I just said. So I am going to town center. So to spend like 45 minutes because I have 45 minutes. So you can see Royal Mail. So I used to work in Royal Mail from 2002 to 2007 in Chelmsford. So this is the place. Same organization. I am going towards town center. So see the bus stops near Derby, East Midland. EMR means East Midland Railways. So this is S2 bus stop. So all buses come here and we can go to city center or anywhere in the city. See the bus color, excellent color, excellent new bus, Areva. So another bus coming. So see the color, it's yellow color. So all excellent. It's called Leicester, Derby, East Midlands Airport. That's why it's called Skylink. So there is one more Skylink to going to Derby and Airport. See the beautiful houses. The windows, they are very clean. So all brick red color buildings. So I am just coming from this way. So this is town. I am coming from railway station. Now I am going to town center, city center. So excellent, very calm, quiet neighborhoods. So no one is there to bother us. Means there is no noise, pollution. So I don't know why here is called boulevards like in New York. So it is not street. See, they are very good houses. So that color houses and this color, only two colors or three colors they maintain, they stick to. So it gives, aesthetic value to the community, and it is very nice to watch. See the beautiful trees. I am going towards town center, and so this is big mall, Derbian Mall, because it is in Derby. They call Derbian Mall. You can see all big shops like M&S, Sports Direct. So all those again retailers, big high street retailers. So wherever we go, so you can see Texaco, garage. So wherever we go, we find all those high street retailers. So it's a beautiful church. I think it's town center. So again, beautiful neighborhood. Derbian is very good. Looks like excellent mall, like all malls. See the ambience. So it looks excellent. So see the shops, same high street shops. So Derbian is very good. Looks like excellent mall, like all malls. See the ambience. So it looks excellent. So see the shops, same high street shops. This is first floor. So it looks beautiful. Excellent vibes. So see how neat it is. So this sport shops next. So now I am going back to Derby station. Because I have to catch a train at 6:31 p.m. Now it is 6:11 p.m. So 20 minutes. But I want to record these beautiful houses. See, it is never ending. All neighborhoods are excellent. So we should visit. We should walk and enjoy the brick color buildings. This is another color building. This white color. So I like brick color. So it is more pleasing to my eyes. So see, these are all different neighborhoods in close to Derby train station, railway station, and also town center. So this is the Derby train station. I'm back to train station. So we can hire cycles here. Looks like cycle parking. So this is Derby Midland station. You can take buses from here. My train is delayed by 45 minutes. So then what I have done is I have paid £7 and as adjustment, and I am going in next train like 6:38. Still I am going to miss my Tamworth to London train. So I will see after going there. I will talk to anyone. So and now I am going by this train. So it reaches like 7:05 in Tamworth. But my train is at 6:56. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి. లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.